So now let's take a look at this tank. The amazing part of this tank is that it can follow the line that has been drawn on the paper. You see, there we've got a paper from the seller. Okay, so to me it really looks like a painted butt. But anyway, let's have a try. So if we put this tank on this butt, we could see it could automatically find the black line and start moving. Well, look at that, it's amazing. It's just an ordinary paper. But what if I draw one by myself? Let's give it a try. But it doesn't even work. So what is the problem anyway? Hey, give me that stick pen. I'm gonna draw a mountain. Oh, it works perfectly fine. So what is the secret of such an amazing car? Well, the secret is actually right down below. Here are two tiny eyes to track this line. They are the line watcher, aka optical sensor, by identifying the lines to determine whether to go left or right. Remember, not to point the eyes to strong light. The line you draw must be big, black, thick, with a smooth turn, not too thin, and not too sharp or messed up.
谁司机？
我有。
Such an interesting, funny, practical little vehicles has really leveled up the work efficiency in the office for 100 times.
Only you can make all this world seem right. Only you can make the darkness bright.
Leave single alone.